If you really would like to be effective and work very quickly with the software, it is essential to understand and learn the basic shortcuts. Now let me show you 4 of these, and then I will also show you where to customize them and how to create a custom shortcut for your command. Now let's see, for example, a very simple situation. I would like to copy and paste this column here. In this case, I can select the object and I can use any of the appearing commands, but actually copy and paste has a shortcut, a Windows standard shortcut, which is Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. So if I would like to copy the selected item, I just hit Ctrl+C and the software starts the copy command. Now in this specific case, I also need to determine the pick point, which will be, for example, the center of this symbol. And then now if I would like to paste this column to wherever I would like to on my drawing, then I hit the Ctrl+V, that is for paste. Now I can just move it somewhere on my drawing and click once and again to place individual copies if I would like to. To terminate a command, you will always use escape. And if you would like to, for example, erase a lately created item, for example, in that case you select it and you will hit delete. Now, there is another group of commands that you will use very likely frequently, and that is the undo and redo. Now, if you, for example, accidentally erase this column, in that case, you can redo the last step. In fact, you can actually redo the last 16 steps in the software. So now, if I would like to redo this last step, I will just click on this command, or I can use the shortcut, which is Ctrl+Z. Now this last step, when I erased this column, it was undone now. So now it appears again. If I would like to redo the previous step, which was just before that, it was erasing it. In that case, I can just hit the Ctrl+Y, and that is redoing the latest undone step. So undo is Ctrl+Z and redo is Ctrl+Y. So those are the very basic shortcuts that you can use in the software, and these are also Windows standard shortcuts, just as the Ctrl+S, that's for saving the project, and also Ctrl+O, it is opening a new project. Also you can use Ctrl+I, that is for importing an object, importing a project or a drawing, and you can also use Ctrl+E, which is for exporting content. Now, if you would like to customize a command, like for example, I would like to use the layer walk command, which is one of my personal favorites in the software. Then I can, instead of simply starting the command, I can right click on it, and in the appearing menu, I will find the keyboard shortcut. Now, if I click on this, the software will bring up the keyboard shortcut settings dialog with the selected command. So now I'm in edit layer walk, so I can see it's edit and layer walk. So now I can click here until I can find this little blinking cursor, and then now I can define the shortcut that I would like to use for it. It's obviously not having any because the field is empty, so now I can think and find the shortcut that I would like to paste here. So I will just use the Ctrl+Shift+W shortcut, and as you can see, it automatically appears there. So now, actually, wherever I click, it's already recognized. The software remembers this. If I hit OK, the software will use the Ctrl+Shift+W to start the layer walk command. Now, before I'm going to that field, I just would like to show you how you can actually explore what sort of commands the software automatically offers with shortcuts. Now, as you can see, for example, if you just hit Ctrl, and then you can see that Ctrl+Z is undo, Ctrl+C is copy, paste, and so on. So all those in combination with Ctrl appear to start the cut, copy, paste, and so on command. So this way you can freely explore what sort of shortcuts the software actually automatically by default after installation offers. Also, you can find any of the commands here, and you can just go through, swipe through this list and find any sort of command that you would like to, and figure out whether it already has a shortcut or not. Now I actually defined a new shortcut for layer walk, which was Ctrl+Shift+W. So if I hit OK, I can start the layer walk command whenever and whatever I do in the software by just simply hitting Ctrl+Shift+W, and the software will automatically start the layer walk command.